Every home carries a story. Renovation is not merely about tearing down walls or replacing floors, it is about rediscovering comfort, reimagining spaces, and building a lifestyle that reflects who you are today. A renovated home is a canvas of renewal, where old memories are preserved yet blended with fresh beginnings. The kitchen is more than a place to cook, it is the beating heart of every home. Through renovation, it becomes a space where flavors meet stories, where families gather in warmth, and where everyday meals turn into lasting memories. A bathroom should feel like a sanctuary. Renovation transforms it from a mere functional corner into a personal retreat where every shower feels like renewal, and every quiet moment becomes a form of self-care. Renovating outdoor spaces gives life to evenings under the stars. It creates a natural extension of the home, where conversations flow, laughter echoes, and peace can be found in the soft glow of warm lights. A smart renovation blends tradition with technology. By upgrading to smart systems, comfort meets efficiency, homes become not only beautiful but also intelligent, responding to your needs effortlessly. Walls no longer need to divide life. An open concept renovation breathes freedom into your home, inviting natural light, connecting family members, and making small spaces feel limitless. Renovation today is also about responsibility. By embracing energy-efficient solutions, we create homes that care not just for us, but also for the world we leave behind. Floors carry the weight of our steps, day after day. Renovating them gives new life to every corner, changing not just the look but the very feel of home under your feet. Renovating a bedroom means redefining rest. It becomes a space where dreams begin, where mornings feel lighter, and where peace finally finds you at the end of the day. A living room should never feel stagnant. With fresh colors, textures, and furniture, it becomes the center of connection, alive with laughter, conversation, and comfort. A home office is more than a workspace. Renovating it is investing in clarity, focus, and the energy that fuels both creativity and productivity. The hidden spaces of a home hold untapped potential. Renovating a basement turns forgotten corners into places of joy, family movie nights, games, or simply a quiet escape. Renovating an attic is like discovering a hidden treasure. A once forgotten space becomes a haven of imagination, where books, dreams, and quiet moments flourish. Renovation here brings families back to the table. It turns meals into rituals and dining into a celebration of togetherness. Renovation is about blurring boundaries between indoors and outdoors, between nature and life. A home that opens to the garden breathes freshness every single day. First impressions matter. Renovating the entryway turns a simple threshold into a warm welcome, setting the tone for everything inside. A roof is protection, shelter, and strength. Renovation here is not just about materials, it is about security, trust, and the comfort of being covered under every season. Windows frame the outside world. Renovating them means inviting more light, more air, and more life into the home. Renovation can bring order to chaos. A redesigned closet turns daily routines into moments of ease and elegance. A fireplace is more than heat, it is the heart of winter nights. Renovating it means rekindling the sense of gathering, comfort, and timeless warmth. Renovation extends hospitality outdoors. An outdoor kitchen transforms weekends into celebrations, where food and friendship mix under the open sky. Health begins at home. A renovated gym space means no excuses. Wellness becomes part of your everyday environment. Renovating a child's room is more than decoration. It is designing a space that grows with them, nurturing imagination and security. Even chores deserve beauty. Renovating a laundry space makes everyday tasks lighter, more organized, and even joyful. Renovation here creates a retreat for the Minda sanctuary of knowledge and imagination within the walls of home. Renovating with luxury in mind is an investment in daily joy. A bath is no longer routine but an experience of renewal. Renovation of the backyard transforms it into a personal retreat, a sanctuary where nature heals and silence comforts. Renovation is not only about beauty, it is about function. A garage makeover turns chaos into order, making space for both cars and creativity. A staircase is a journey inside the home. Renovating it gives new rhythm and grace to every step taken upward. Renovation through light changes everything. Shadows soften, moods shift, and the home becomes alive with warmth and depth. The exterior is the face of the home. Renovating it means telling the world a story of care, renewal, and pride in belonging. Renovation is not just construction, it is transformation. Every corner improved, every detail refined, is a step toward a home that truly reflects your life, your dreams, and your future.